Hello friends, hey, I want you to grab yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy this next little video on exploring the trails of Idaho. We've come down here to show you guys this falls and show the bloods. But take a look at this. Hopefully it's showing up good because that water is trickling down off of each rock outlet, whatever you call it, where the rock sticks out. From about midway, coming out from underneath all them top rocks and trickling down. I'm going to get a picture of it also. Pretty awesome. One thing about Idaho, we got lots of waterfalls. And this one is a doozy. Oh yeah, and you can walk back here. So I'm going to try to walk. I'm going to let this run. I mean, it's rocky, and you know, I don't want to fall. So we're going to try to make it as easily as I can while you watch the fall. There we go. We're getting there. We're getting here. There we got some flat ground. Sorry about the jiggle and the wiggle. But I ain't taking no chances of falling down. Here's the little path you gotta walk on. Little muddy. Oh, it's a little wet under here. Woo-wee. I don't know why it'd be wet underneath the falls. But there it is. Woo. There's where it goes. Oh, I'm getting all wet. That's okay. I'll dry off. Look at this, guys. Is this awesome? Water's running down off all these cliffs, rocks, whatever you call them. You can walk all the way around if you want. I don't see a need. Looks like I lost the other kids. Wow. Everything's green here. Wintertime, this gets a little icy, and it is beautiful. Well, I think I got to find the other kids. They're up there somewhere. They didn't want to follow me down. I'm going to take some snapshots, guys. I got to work off that Reuben. Woo, good one. There you can see it with me in the picture. The big fall. Here you get a little bit closer view of the water just trickling, getting me wet. All right, there goes the kids. The kids is Cassandra and Vicky headed that way. Come and see this, guys. If you're passing through Idaho, freeway's only about 10 miles that way. Pull off into Twin Falls. Got lots to offer you.